Welcome to Tom's Tech Notes. Are you disappointed with sound recorded by your video camera? When your camera is on a tripod and you're several feet away, as I am now, do you hear noise or an echo, or does it sound like you're in a barrel? When you record outdoors, does it sound like you're in a windstorm? In this video, we'll show you how to fix these problems by replacing the camera audio with synchronized audio recorded on a laptop. Here are two clips from the beginning of this video to show how much substitution improves the sound. The first is before replacement, the second is after replacement. Welcome to Tom's Tech Notes. Are you disappointed with sound recorded by your video camera? When your camera is on a tripod and you're several feet away, as I am now, do you hear noise or an echo, or does it sound like you're in a barrel? Welcome to Tom's Tech Notes. Are you disappointed with sound recorded by your video camera? When your camera is on a tripod and you're several feet away, as I am now, do you hear noise or an echo, or does it sound like you're in a barrel? Video is part of a video user's guide for CyberLink PowerDirector version 18. To watch the videos in order, open this web page. Replacing the audio is far easier than it sounds, and it only takes a few minutes per video. We'll use a Windows 10 computer, a laptop, a Shure SM35 head-worn mic, and CyberLink PowerDirector Video Editor version 18. This is a worst-case example. I'm facing the camera, so the replacement audio must match my lips exactly. When you're not facing the camera, you only need to approximately match the video and the sound. Plug the microphone into the laptop. Start recording with Windows Voice Recorder. Start recording and narrating with the camera. If your video editor does not have a sync function, you should begin each video after you have started recording in the laptop and on the camera. Clap your hands in front of the camera lens. You can use that to synchronize the video and audio for replacing the audio. Use a flash drive to transfer the voice recorder file from the laptop to your desktop or the computer that you're going to edit the videos on, and plug the camera memory card into the computer and transfer the file from the camera. If your computer doesn't have a memory card slot, use a USB memory card adapter. To open the video editor and import both files, drag both files onto the PowerDirector icon. Drag the files to separate tracks in PowerDirector. If you're using PowerDirector, you can then select both files and choose Sync by Audio. If you're using a different video editor that does not have a Sync by Audio function, what you will do is you'll play the video until you see the hand clap at the beginning. Then you will find that clap in the audio and line up the audio clap with the video clap. And you'll get a pretty good alignment that way. Probably good enough so that lips will match words. But since I'm using PowerDirector, I just use the Sync by Audio function. So you select both files and select Sync by Audio. PowerDirector will align the two files so that the audios match. Now here's how to replace the audio so you don't accidentally shift it sideways while you're doing it. Since this one's on the left edge, you can drag it up keeping it on the left edge without accidentally shifting it. So we'll just do that. If they were out in the middle somewhere and synchronized this way, you would chop the ends off at the same point, then move both files to the left end so that you could drag this up and keep removing it. But as I said, it's on the left edge, so you can drag it straight up and to the left and it won't shift. And all you do is you select this one only, drag it up, release, select overwrite. Now the original audio has been replaced by the audio recorded on the laptop. And now you can trim the file to get rid of the things you don't want. You can do your editing. When you replace audio the way I just did, that winds up with the video and audio sections unlinked. You can relink them by selecting them both, right-clicking, and select Link Unlink. To check whether they really did get linked, deselect and select 1/2. Both were selected. That means that they are now linked. In some cases, this line will disappear when they're linked, but I notice it did not disappear this time, but they are linked because if you click either part, both parts are selected. After you do this replacement of the audio several times, it goes very quickly. It takes me only a few minutes to replace the audio for one recording, and that includes the time to move the camera and voice recorder files from the laptop in my garage studio to the desktop computer in the house where I do my editing. I do use the Shure SM35 mic for recording because it has excellent sound and is very portable. For more information about the SM35 mic and adjusting mic and Windows recording levels, see playlist How to Use the Shure SM35 Mic with a Computer. For additional video and editing functions, see the next video. If you enjoyed this Tom's Tech Notes video, please like it and please leave a comment. For more help creating videos, please open my webpage at the URL shown here. To watch my other videos, open the website. You can also click links in the video description. When thumbnails appear, click at upper left to open the playlist for this video. Click at lower left to watch a video specially recommended for you. Click my photo to visit the Tom's Tech Notes channel. To subscribe, please click the red button. If you don't see the red button, hover over my photo to show it.